In this challenge, we're going to focus on the first problem, which is to hit the space key and the sphere will fall. Now, in order for the sphere to fall, we have to look at the player object and make sure that we have a rigid body attached. So if we don't have a rigid body, we can add one, and that's going to allow us to use the concept of gravity. We're going to turn that off so that when we run the application, we're just going to be standing still. When I hit the space key, I'm then going to be able to programmatically enable the use gravity, and that's going to cause it to fall. So that's the first thing we need to focus on. So we'll create a new C# script, and we'll call this player. And we're going to attach it to our player sphere. Once the script has been added, we can double click it, open it in Visual Studio. And the first thing we need to do here is check for if the space key. And if that's the case, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to enable gravity. And keep in mind, to enable gravity, we have to get the component, the rigid body, that's on this object. So you're going to have to define the rigid body handle for this object, and then we'll assign it here in void start. Assign the handle, and before you enable gravity, it's best practice to null check, did we successfully get that component handle? So give it a shot, and I'll see you in the challenge review.